Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be here with you today.
Yes, today is a very special episode. We are going to look at the world around us.
Exactly. Today, we are learning about colors. And we are learning about the clothes you wear every day.
This is very important. When you travel or when you go shopping, you need to describe things. You need to say what color you want.
And you need to say what you are wearing. Do not worry, we will make this easy.
We are friends here. We learn together. If you make a mistake, it is okay. Just keep speaking.
Are you ready to unlock your English? Let's start with colors.
Our first word today is a very strong color. The word is red.
Red. Let me explain. Red is the color of fire. It is the color of love. It is a hot color.
Here are some examples. Number 1. I like to eat a red apple.
Example number 2. The stop sign on the street is red.
Now you say it. Repeat after me. Red.
Excellent. Let's go to the next one. This is the color of the sky. The word is blue.
Blue. This is the color of the ocean. It is a cool and relaxing color.
Let's look at examples. Example 1. Look up at the sky. It is blue.
Example number 2. My favorite pen uses blue ink.
Now it is your turn. Say it with us. Blue.
Very good. Our next color is bright. It is the color of the sun. The word is yellow.
Yellow. This color makes people happy. It is the color of bananas and lemons.
Here are 2 examples. Example 1. The sun is big and yellow.
Example 2. I write notes on yellow paper.
Okay, listeners, repeat the word. Yellow.
Great job! Now let's mix yellow and blue. What do we get? We get green.
Green. This is the color of nature. It is the color of grass and trees.
Let's give them examples, Leo. Example 1. The park is full of green trees.
Example 2. I eat green vegetables to be healthy.
Now you try. Say the word green.
Perfect. Doing great. The next color is a mix of red and yellow. The word is orange.
Orange. This is the name of a color and also the name of a fruit.
That is right. Example 1. I drink orange juice in the morning.
Example 2. The sunset is beautiful and orange.
Your turn to speak. Repeat. Orange.
Moving on. This next color is elegant. It is the color of the night. The word is black.
Black. This is a very dark color. It is the opposite of white.
Example 1. I drink my coffee black with no milk.
Example 2. The text on this page is black.
Now say it clearly. Black.
And the opposite of black is our next word. White.
White. This is the color of snow. It is the color of milk. It is clean and bright.
Here are examples. Example 1. The clouds in the sky are white.
Example 2. We need a blank white paper to draw.
Repeat after us. White.
You are doing a fantastic job. We have 3 more colors. The next one is purple.
Purple. This is a mix of red and blue. It is often a royal color. It is the color of grapes.
Example 1. She has a beautiful purple flower.
Example 2. My favorite team wears a purple uniform.
Try to say it. It has a difficult sound. Purple. Purple.
Nice. Next is a soft color. The word is pink.
Pink. This is basically red mixed with white. It is often used for flowers.
Example 1. A flamingo is a pink bird.
Example 2. I have a pink eraser in my school bag.
Repeat the word pink.
And our last color for today, the word is brown.
Brown. This is the color of the earth. It is the color of wood and chocolate.
Example 1. The bear in the forest is brown.
Example 2. I am sitting on a brown wooden chair.
One last time for colors. Say it. Brown.
Wow! We learned 10 colors. That is a lot of vocabulary.
Yes. Take a deep breath. You are doing great. Now we are going to use these colors to talk about clothes.
We have 5 important words for clothes. These are things you wear.
Our first item is very common. The word is t-shirt.
T-shirt. This is a casual shirt. It has short sleeves. It looks like the letter T.
Example 1. In the summer, I wear a white t-shirt.
Example 2. He has a graphic T-shirt with a band logo.
Notice how we put the color before the object. White t-shirt. Now you repeat the word. T-shirt.
Excellent. Next, we have something to wear on your legs. The word is jeans.
Jeans. These are pants made of denim. They are usually blue. They are casual and strong.
Example 1. I wear my blue jeans every Friday.
Example 2. New jeans feel stiff, but old jeans are comfortable.
Repeat the word. Remember the S at the end. Jeans.
Okay, but what if it's cold outside? You need our next word. Jacket.
Jacket. This is something you wear over your shirt to stay warm. It has a zipper or buttons.
Example 1. It is raining, so please take your jacket.
Example 2. She has a cool black leather jacket.
Try to say it. Jacket.
Very good. Now, let's look at our feet. The word is sneakers.
Sneakers. These are athletic shoes. You use them for walking, running, or sports. In the UK, they call them trainers, but we will say sneakers.
Example 1. I need new sneakers for the gym.
Example 2. My white sneakers are very dirty now.
Repeat the word. Sneakers.
And our final word for clothes. This is usually for women or girls. The word is dress.
Dress. This is one piece of clothing. It covers the top and bottom of the body.
Example 1. She is wearing an elegant red dress for the party.
Example 2. In the summer, a light dress is very comfortable.
Now say the final word. Dress.
We did it! We learned 10 colors and 5 pieces of clothing.
We talked about red, blue, yellow, green, orange, black, white, purple, pink, and brown.
And we learned about the t-shirt, jeans, jacket, sneakers, and the dress.
Now you can combine them. You can say, I am wearing a blue t-shirt, or I want the red sneakers.
Exactly. Practice looking at your own clothes. Say the color and the name.
Before we finish, we want to leave you with a special thought, a motivational phrase.
Today's phrase is simple but true. Your style is your story. Say it with confidence.
I love that. Your style is your story. Say it with confidence. It means that what you wear shows who you are. Be proud of it.
Do not be afraid to speak English, and do not be afraid to wear what you like.
Thank you so much for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
We are proud of you. Keep practicing. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.